Kentucky is heading in the wrong direction with COVID-19, and concern for the winter months is growing.
With the colder weather, we only anticipate this getting worse.
And with more than 9,000 new cases across the state in just the last week, contact tracing tells health department officials that guidelines are simply not being followed.
People are having gatherings. It's at weddings, it's at funerals, people having parties and get-togethers. And we understand that with things like weddings and funerals, life goes on. These are going to happen during COVID-19, but we need people to follow those guidelines.
At the University of Kentucky, those guidelines become critical due to dormitory living, student unions, and libraries. School officials are trying to get out in front of it as we lose daylight hours and the warm temperatures.
If you find yourself in a situation where you're closer than 6 feet, both parties or all parties should be wearing a mask.
Then there's the concern over UK's Albert Chandler Hospital, a renowned trauma center which takes in roughly 20,000 transfers annually.
I think we always worry about our capacity with flu season.
Hospital capacity during a pandemic coupled with a bad flu outbreak, along with all of those patient transfers, are a real concern. It's in large part why the university mandated flu vaccines for everyone this season.
We're hopeful, based on the results in the southern hemisphere of the flu, that it's not going to be a bad flu year, but we will have to continue to look on a day-by-day basis.
In Lexington, Michael Burke for Evening Edition.